a quick 1 minute max video I'm doing of a newly framed recent drawing in the Under the Wing series, Under the Wing 73. The allegorical sea monsters, and Professor Kurt Huber, who wrote the last leaflet of the White Rose Resistance Group at the University of Munich. And he was arrested, tried for treason, convicted, and executed by guillotine by the Third Reich government and courts, executed in 1943. I've given him one metaphoric wing, 3 very large allegorical sea monsters, and then there's a whole bunch of smaller sea monsters in and around. All right, I'm going over a minute, but that's okay. I'm getting some reflection from my overhead fluorescent lights. That's okay. All right, there you have it. It is Wednesday, December 1st, 2021.